Happy August. Sunday. Today is Sunday and we're going to swimming class.
And after that, we'll go and eat some mooncake.
Yeah, we have mooncake at home. Bumili si Dwayne ng mooncake kahapon para matikman ni Mama. I cannot remember if she tried it before. Parang na-try na niya kasi usually sa mooncake festival sila nagpupunta rito. But yeah. Hi ko. How come you cannot go to the pool?
Because of this.
Oh. What?
Like, I just said the bad word Adam always says.
Don't say the bad word.
Okay. I can't go because of the rain. I hate rain.
Oh, your friend is there. Ang sama ng loob niya.
He is not my friend.
Really? Oh, don't fight with him, ha? Naiinis siya kasi hindi siya makapag-swimming kasi yung may lightning warning. Hopefully tumigil na yung ulan tsaka mawala na yung lightning warning para naman makapag-swimming siya kasi excited na siya eh. Isahan ako nito ng drinks. Pwede kasi yung easy link. Uwi na kami. Hindi na siya nag-swimming kasi umuulan.
Activate the ladder! Activate the ladder on this button. We saved the day! Yeah!
Shopping. Dito na yung mga mid-autumn lantern. Ito naman, puro basa lang. Mabubunggo na siya. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Hindi mo pa tinatanggal to.
Alam ko na, wait.
Yan yung sa bell pepper. Yun. Paborito ni Zion to. Hindi niya pinalagpas ngayon. Wala. 1, 2.
Yeah, you need a lot of more.
I think they always put 4.
How? Sometimes they put more.
No, see? 3 and 4.
Wow. Like how do you move?
What?
5.
Oh, 5 because it's small.
There's no more 6, right?
No. Wait lang anak ha.
Oh, no.
You need to seal it. Okay, you can take it na. Go. Up. Okay.
I'll get a straw.
Dito kami sa may exercise machine. Na-stuck yan eh. Sira ata. Sila, lalaro. Nag-walking kami. Ayan. Bumili din kami ng mga snack tsaka sabon. Spin it out.
A baby lemonade. Here you go, a baby lemonade. Hey!
Morning. Say hi.
Hi.
What's the day today? Oh, anak, what are
Tuesday.
those? It does boats. Yes. Tuesday. Tuesday and walang pasok si Zion because term break nila, so 1 week na wala silang pasok. And who is this the one that they always say the New Zealand ng Singapore?
Further down.
Oh, over there. So, tawag doon. Alis kami saglit. Pupunta kami ng North Point. May gusto lang akong tignan kasi may naka-sale daw. So, you need to walk over there.
No, actually it's just by the roadside.
Doon daw yun. Sa may bandang doon. Maraming pumupunta dumadayo dyan para lang magpa-picture. Pero ano lang siya, parang malaking bundok. Hindi. What you call that thing?
All of those dump trucks look the same actually.
Drainage? Hindi drainage. Basta yun. Doon nag-ano si Dwayne pag nagbabike, dumadaan siya. Nagbabicycle. Anyway, let's go. Parang, is it my first time to go to North Point?
No, we went there once. Then we saw Grace there.
We went there with my mother also last time. Yeah.
With your mother and sister, right?
Oo. Last na pumunta kami doon. Nandito si Mama at si Jackie din.
Why were we there also?
I cannot remember also. And na pupunta ulit kami after how many years?
They always cycle on top there.
Siya. Dito daw siya nagbabike.
Where the people cycling.
Ayun yung mga kakosa. They cycle here. Oh, dito yung sinasabi nila na New Zealand ng Singapore. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos pagandahan na lang yung picture. Kung magaling kang mag-picture. We're here talaga.
I found the smallest flatbed in the world, guys. Hello, guys! Mom, I want to talk to you.
Wait lang
Hello, it's me, Zion. Again. I found the smallest flatbed truck in the world. It had a boom like this, a hook like what you would normally see on a flatbed truck here. There's no forklift. On the back, it's sometimes a forklift and like this, something like this. Have you seen that before? Sometimes a forklift and sometimes a hook at the back. Help. And then I saw the back. It looks like a dump truck back, the truck bed. Something like a truck bed, like that. And in my other, and also sometimes I find smaller garbage trucks, smaller and small and even and smaller vehicles. Make sure you find out these 3 vehicles. 1, smallest garbage truck, and 2, smallest flatbed. If you want, you could also 3, cheat. You can look at your toys. Or play construction simulator. Those trucks aren't so big, and compared to size, they're as big as your hand.
So big.
They have this one.
They have their own
Very, very, very long way.
So dito kami pupunta sa may North Point.
This one also big.
Then this is North Park is different also.
North Point.
No, the North Park resident. Oh, this is a house pa.
This is a very wild.
Nakabili na kami ng gusto namin bilhin. And while waiting for or killing time, nagano muna kami dito sa bookshop. Popular. Asan na si Zion dyan? Ay, si Ezra. What are those? And I see there's a book of digger. You can push, pull, and slide. Ay, self-checkout na pala ngayon ang Popular. Okay, so they're paying for their loot. Tig-isa sila. Kami naman ito. Ayan, nakaupo lang sila dito. Kasi pumunta ng dito si Dwayne. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. I think this is Challenger. Bibili siya ng yung cam para sa house ng nanay at tatay niya. We're gonna eat at Pasta Mania.
Also carbonara.
Yeah. Kain tayo. Meron pang isang pasta na hindi pa na-deliver. Hala, there's fries on your na.
Oh no.
Iyo. Kain. Si Ezra gusto niya yung pasta eh. Mama, pasta? Ayun na. Pauwi na kami. Daddy, put him down. Put him down. Daddy, put him down. Are you koala? Sarap ng sushi. Ezra, look up. What's that? What's that? Huh? Grabe, napapalibutan kami ng mga bus.
That's like so.
Yeah. Puro green, 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 green.
Where's that last book?
These are the new buses, ah.
I found the last book. Oh.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, how many buses are there?
I think there's 3.
So 2.
Oh, 2.
And there's 3.
And cream sila. We bought from Uncle. Ayo! Ganda ng garden nila, oh. Sa may coral. Coral garden. May pa-fountain pa sila. Halaga kasi.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye.